So paano yan? Pwede bang may sabihin ako sa'yo na huwag kang sumama sa lunch namin?
Na ano?
Huwag sa magsabi.
Sumama?
Kaso, labas mo na siya.
Sabi ka naman, papalabasin mo si Joy. Nakakahiya naman. Hindi sasama ko siya kung ayaw. May di alis na namin ni Joy. Umiyak si Joy!
Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow. Yeah, should I hide forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's